Hi there, Gary here from Restore Solutions. Well, I'm going to give you a little tip today. Now, this is our Drymatic high pressure air mover. So it's a high amperage air mover, but it's a lot of static pressure. 4.2 to 4.6 amps depending on which speed you have on 1, 2 or 3. So why would I use this fan over, say, a radial flat fan or a traditional air mover? Why would I use this fan? Well, with our Drymatic boost, it's a PTC heater. So what happens is, if you start getting restrictions off the heater, for example 22 port or 12 port, or you start getting some restriction because it's got low airflow, so the more airflow going across that heater, the more energy will come out. Some people look at the actual temperature, thinking the off temperature is what I need to look at. No, it's the wattage of how much energy is coming out. So, let's say that you've got a traditional air mover here and you put the 22 port on there. You might have 1100 watts coming out, maybe 1200 watts. But with this air mover, you'll have an extra 250 to 300 watts of energy going in because it's got a lot more static pressure. Some people try to put a little radial flat fan like a Velo or a radial flat fan on this actual boost and try to put a 22 port or a 12 port. What you'll find is there'll be much restriction off the heater, and it will turn the heater off as a safety. So you need more airflow. So we've got the answer. So with that, great for your 22 port. It's a must for your 22 port. Really, it's a must. It's fantastic for your 12 port, especially with your kitchen kit. Great for your 5 port, going up into downlights, under floors, multiple mats. Great for your 4 port. And new to come, on its way, is our 3 port. It's had plenty of testing over here in Australia. Now it's going very well. And also your L-shape to blow up the ceiling cavities. You might blow it straight up onto the ceiling, or you blow it underneath floors that are on battens. So the more airflow, the better. So this particular fan is going to be fantastic. You've got a lot of mats to blow up. This fan's going to be fantastic. So you could use, if you had, say, I've got all these mats, or they're not inflating enough, you're going to need another boost and another fan. Where this one, you can get away with that one boost. You could get away with that one boost to blow up multiple mats, where you've got one mat on one wall or one mat on another wall by using the 4 port or even the 3 port when it turns up. So, check out our new high pressure fan. Don't go out and buy 20 or 30 of them. You're going to need 2 or 3, 4 for your business, depending on how much injection stuff you have or how much mat drying you do, especially large areas, large timber floor areas, large concrete areas. So, this is what you need. That's a great little tip for you to get more energy out of your boost. Thanks very much for watching.